pH meter. Uses and mode of operation. A pH meter is an electronic device used to measure the acidity or alkalinity, pH, of a solution. Uses: agriculture, measuring soil pH to determine nutrient availability and fertilizer needs. Water treatment, monitoring pH in drinking water, pools, and wastewater to ensure safety and quality. Food and beverage, checking pH in food production to control taste, texture, and preservation. Laboratory research, measuring pH in experiments and analyzing samples in chemistry, biology, and environmental science. Pharmaceuticals, pH testing in drug development and quality control. Mode of operation, a pH meter works by measuring the voltage difference between two electrodes. 1. Glass electrode, sensitive to hydrogen ions, H+. It develops a voltage proportional to the pH of the solution. 2. Reference electrode, provides a stable reference voltage, usually using a silver/silver chloride, Ag/AgCl, or calomel, Hg/Hg2Cl2 system. The meter converts this voltage difference into a pH reading, usually displayed on a digital screen. Calibration with standard buffer solutions ensures accuracy.